How to add 3D text in Capcut. Adding 3D text in Capcut brings your titles and captions to life, therefore making your videos more visually appealing and engaging. Now in this particular video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you just that. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and show you that this is how it looks. Alright, just like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the default text right here. And then we're going to go ahead and add it to our timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and add it all the way there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click the basic, and we're just going to go ahead and name this one here Darcy. So say for example, this is Darcy, just like so. We're going to go ahead and click tracking, and then we're going to go ahead and hit motion track. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put the name on top, and then for this yellow button here or yellow box here, I'm going to go ahead and hopefully track this particular animal. So once you're done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and click start. Alright, as you can see, it's doing its job right now. Alright, once it's done, we can go ahead and play this one, and this is how it looks. Alright, there you go. You can see it moving along with the animal. So that's pretty impressive already. Now we're going to go ahead and pause this one because there's more that we are going to add. Alright, we're going to go ahead and look for rotation somewhere here. There you go. So you have here a plane rotation. So first things first, let's go ahead and click this one here. Now we're going to go ahead and move a little bit further, and we're going to click this again, and this time we're going to go ahead and see this one. You see this? There's like a rotation, right? So I'm going to go ahead and try like that, and then we can go ahead and move further. There you go, and then we're going to adjust again. Alright, we're going to go ahead and play this one. There you go. You can see that there's some movement there, right? And yep, that is basically how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to add 3D text here in Capcut. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.